How to download songs on SoundCloud. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a popular question, how to download songs on SoundCloud. If you have ever found a track you love but can't download it, you're not alone. First, it's important to know that SoundCloud has two types of tracks, downloadable and non-downloadable. Some artists allow free downloads to engage their followers while others sell the music to earn revenue. Now, while there are ways to download non-downloadable tracks using third-party apps, I strongly advise against it. Respecting the artists who create these tracks is crucial. They put in a lot of hard work and downloading their music for free undermines their effort. Now, what's the best way is to purchase the tracks, but however, you can also open the SoundCloud and search for tracks that are downloadable. So I tap on this and you'll see three horizontal dots beside the track. Tap on it, and if it is a downloadable track, you'll see a download option right below like, and you can easily download the track. And that's it for today's tutorial. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks like this. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.